So today we're going to make Dulce De Leche Mochi Cookies. You can use pre-made Dulce De Leche, or I'll show you how to make it using condensed milk here. So for the Dulce De Leche, I made this the night prior, and you just submerge a can of condensed milk in a rice cooker pot and then cook it for 2 hours, and then afterwards when you open the can it will have caramelized. So for the cookies, we're going to start off by mixing all the mochi ingredients in a bowl, cover it with cling wrap and then microwave it for 1 minute. When the minute is up, take it out and evenly mix it again, and then cover it with the cling wrap and put it back into the microwave for 30 seconds. When the 30 seconds is up, take out the mochi and then put in the butter and give it a good mix until the butter is fully combined with the mochi. We're then going to knead it for about 1 to 2 minutes, which will help you improve the chewiness of the mochi. And then we're going to place it into the fridge while we work on the cookie dough. For the cookie dough, we're first going to whisk the butter and the sugar together. Once it's sort of all combined, we're going to switch to a hand mixer and then cream the butter and sugar until it's pale and fluffy. Once we finish creaming it, we're going to add in the egg and then whisk it until it's evenly combined. Once the mixture is smooth, we're going to add in the flour, cocoa powder and baking soda. Just sift that all in, and then we're going to use a spatula to fold in the flour into the butter. When the flour has evenly mixed through, we're going to place the dough into the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. We're then going to take out the mochi and separate them into 10-gram pieces. Then take a piece of mochi and flatten it out, and then we can scoop about half a teaspoon of Dulce De Leche and place it in the middle of the mochi. Then grab the edges of the mochi and pinch them close, and then roll it into a ball. Repeat this step with all of the remaining mochi pieces, and then place it back into the fridge to chill along with the cookie dough. When the 30 minutes is up, take out the dough and then measure out 25 grams of the cookie dough. We're then going to flatten it out and then place the mochi in the middle of the dough, and then we'll seal it up by pinching the edges together. I'm sorry you can't really see this step because I'm using a new camera and I didn't realize I was sort of out of frame, but we're going to roll it into a ball and then we're going to place it into the fridge for about 20 minutes. Once the dough has chilled, we're going to line a baking tray with baking paper, place on the cookies and flatten them a little bit and top it off with choc chips. Then bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. When they're ready to come out of the oven, place them onto a rack and let them rest for 10 minutes, and then what results is a super stretchy and gooey cookie. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.